Hi, welcome to the May edition of Mathnasium's monthly math movie. I'm going to wing it today because we're about ready to open pretty soon and I'm going on vacation tomorrow. So let's just cut right to it. I'm going to do, first thing that's kind of on my mind is Student of the Month. So let's jump right to that. Our Student of the Month, she just started February, a couple months ago. She's in first grade. I think she's in first grade, maybe second grade. I can't remember, but she really had an impression on me when we did the initial assessment. She just had a great time. She let me know a few times how fun it was, and she was so excited to be here. And it was just, usually we don't hear that during the initial assessment. Jennifer the other night did a post-assessment with her, a verbal post-assessment to test her addition and subtraction facts, and she was so excited to show Jennifer all the things she had learned, and it was just, the excitement was oozing out of her. So let's just cut right to it. It's Sybil. She just started, like I said, in February, just got going, but really just making an impression on all of us, how much she just loves to be here and how much she loves to learn, and she loves to share what she learns. So Sybil, you made an impression on me a couple months ago. You made an impression on Jennifer, and a number of instructors have also confirmed or said the same thing, that she's great to have around. She loves being here, and she works hard, and she's making great progress. So good job, Sybil. You are our May Student of the Month. You're gonna get a yard sign suitable for display. I'll give you a stake for that. You're gonna get your Student of the Month certificate for keeps. You're gonna get I forgot to get the reward cards, 25 punch card reward card, and we're gonna put a laminated certificate with your name announcing you as Student of the Month for May up in our window, and it's gonna live up there forever and ever and ever. So, way to go, Sybil, yay, cheers. Let's go next to, let's get some things out of the way. Fun calendar. So we did some fun stuff in April. We had Earth Day, we had Pet Day, we did some April Fools, sort of math riddles, which was a lot of fun, and a pajama day. This month in May, we're gonna have bingo coming up on the 7th. We're gonna celebrate something, we're gonna do something fun for Mother's Day on the 12th. Maybe leading up to Mother's Day, you might think about spending your reward cabinets and your reward cards in the cabinet to get something for Mom. That might be kind of nice. We got a fun event coming up here, coming at the end of May. It's going to be a math scavenger hunt around the center, where you work out math clues and go to the next location in the center and find the next clue, and you'll get to the end. We're also going to be doing something along those lines during the summertime, which leads me to our summer activities list. I might have shown you this last month. We're still working on the summer fun calendar. It's just going to be chock full of stuff to do. We're going to have theme weeks. We're going to have special events. We're going to have fun things to do on particular days. Just got oodles and oodles of stuff. We're also going to be introducing some kind of traditional, some old-timey games that kids we used to play before phones and computers and things like that, like marbles and jacks and pitching pennies, and games like cribbage that you can play anywhere, anytime, with a deck of cards that also involves some math. So we're gonna be doing all sorts of fun stuff this summer. So if that sounds fun to you, and you think you might wanna come more than twice a week, tell your parents you wanna do Epic Mathnasium. That's where you can come as often as you like, and we just charge accordingly. So let your parents know if you think Epic Mathnasium might be something for you this summer. Let's move on to the next thing that's kind of in my way here, the estimating jar. So this aren't edible. These are just pebbles. These are just glass beads. You could use it for a planter. You could stick flowers in it. If you have a fish tank, they'd look great in there, or whatever. You be creative. But it was just something fun. They're not round, they're not square, they're kind of funny shaped. So our guesses were sort of clustered around here. The average for everybody was about 400. The actual value is way out here at 907. 907. It's surprising that there's so many in there, and we have a hard time when the things are oddly shaped like that. So 907 was actual. Our best guess was 900, and that was Lena S. We only have a couple of Lenas. So Lena, good job. You were only 7 away on the estimating jar. You get to take the estimating jar home. And let's see, there. Which brings me to the estimating jar for May. I've been tossing around this idea, asking kids. We've been saving all of the star punches, most of them anyway. Whoops, just lost some there. We've been saving these, and we usually do something fun where kids come up with ideas for what they would do if they had all the stars. Or one time we just put it in the reward cabinet, and somebody bought it. So this year, or this time around, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this the estimating jar. So your job, at some point I'm gonna seal it up, and then it'll be on display. And it's not entirely full, just so you can all see that. You guys on the video will get a little clue that it's not necessarily exactly full, and you can't tell that. So your job is to estimate how many stars in here. I also have to figure out, maybe using some scientific methods, to get a good estimation of my own, using some tools and a little persistence, to figure out a good scientific estimate for what's here. And then you guys have to try to get close to my estimate. How's that? I don't know if it's true or not. And if you want to count all those, go for it and prove me wrong. But your job is to estimate what you think I'm going to estimate the count of the stars in. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bunch, I'm going to count them. I've already done that. And then I'm going to weigh these very, very accurately. I'm going to get a super accurate, like a chemistry scale, weigh these, and then weigh all these stars, minus the glass, of course, and use math to figure out how many stars are in the whole thing. So that's my job. And then, like I said, I'm going to try to be as scientific and accurate as I can. And you guys have to try to just use your best estimation skills. And it's going to be a big, huge number, I guarantee. So this is like 6,000 right here. So just so you know. So that's going to be May. We'll take that up and put that on display, and we're going to have to come up with another jar to do the estimating. Let's do the raffle, and this thing just started to fall apart. Uh-oh. So let's use our raffle drawing bucket. I'm going to dump all these in there. Where's my keys? Keys. I left them over there. Oh no. Epic failure. Da, 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 da. There we go. All right, this key's gonna work right in there. Open up that, and then I lost one that's down in there. Da, 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 da. Put this over here. Okay, first one is the official winner for $100 bill, which I got right here. $100 bill. It's gonna be this winner. I'm feeling, using the force, feeling around. Oh, that's it right there. Got it. This one right here, it's a smiley face. Chloe Ho, good job. You are the winner of 100 for 100 raffle. Let's do second place. Second place is gonna get 25 punch card coupon. It's gonna be this one. Abir, you won recently something, student of the month, I think. So good job, second place. And let's do third place, or second runner up, is gonna be this one right here. Hadley, we got a couple of Hadleys. Hadley Leibowitz. You are our third place, 10 punch cards for you. And this is the 25 for Sybil. So good job everybody with that. Tons of mastery checks, tons of 100%. You guys are doing a great job getting all this done. I forgot about number of the month. The number of the month is going to be the estimating jar, which was 907. I thought about 907. I couldn't think of anything really special about 907. Turns out 907 is a prime number. And I might have talked about prime numbers once before, but 907 is one of those. I think it's like the 27th prime number or something like that. That just means there aren't any other numbers besides 1 and 97, 907, that you can multiply together to get 907. So it's kind of like, it's a sort of a special number for mathematicians, that it's sort of out there all by itself. It's made up of just itself. I kind of think of it like it doesn't have any numbers that make it up other than itself. It's sort of like an atom in chemistry. So 907 is pretty cool. It's a big old number. And how do you tell if a number is a prime number? There's some tests that you can do to kind of see, but it's a hard process. And one of these days, we're gonna have a good long talk about prime numbers and why they're so important to math and everyday life as well. So that's it. Let's call that quits for the day. Have a great month at Mathnasium at May, and thinking about summer. Gonna have a great time this summer at Mathnasium. So we'll see you around. Bye bye. See ya.